Hello and welcome to the short video about BHK Signature Pre-amplifier from PS Audio. PS Audio is one of the growing number of manufacturers that are going, or at least in the higher designs for fully balanced topologies. Is 5 balanced input on XLRs and a balanced output. As well, of course, of single-ended ones. This is a hybrid design. As you can see, a couple of tubes. This is apparently only on the input, and massive transformer that's fit for a power amp. Banks of Nikon capacitors and a very good build. This unit, I'm going to take it apart, because it's going to be sent to Adelaide tomorrow for a friend of mine who asked me to pick it up from a local dealer. But it's PS Audio. I've heard more and more good things about them, and they have a nice YouTube channel where things are discussed. Not everything that they talk about there about CD players I agree with, but overall it is very worthwhile. This unit is 14 kilos, you know, it's huge in size and it's very heavy, very well built, and you know, good to see every now and then something modern, not you know, made in 20 or 30 years ago, a golden hi-fi period, or maybe even 40 years ago, whichever theory you subscribe to. Well, thank you very much for your attention, and I suppose I can show you a remote. Remote covers all sorts of things. It covers power amp, DAC, and transport, and phono stages. You know, the preamp is only that section there. You can select an input, and you can mute it, and that's about all. And then adjust the volume. So thanks folks for your attention, and till the next one.